Whew. There was a lot of rain this winter, and as the water was coming down from the mountain here, and it brought a lot of pieces of stones and rocks, and this is the road leading to our Airbnb. So now we will open very, very soon, so we are cleaning and getting ready with everything. So this is one task that we do. The road is getting really, really beautiful. It's very windy today. I hope you can hear me and not just the wind like but yeah, it's actually a real beautiful day. It's windy, but that's fine. We are used to that. So we are finishing with the road. Very nice. And yeah, don't worry you guys, where we are like throwing down the stones, there is nothing from below, so no need to worry. Today I brought you to a different field. I hope you like it, because I do, and I thought that these olive trees would be nice as a background, and all these beautiful flowers and greenery. How are you guys? I hope you are doing very, very well. I'm actually pretty good. If you have seen my previous video from Milos, then you know that I'm trying to change my mindset. I'm trying to focus on the positive things, and I have to say that it works. It helps me a lot to deal with everyday problems and challenges. So it's been great, this practice. Of course, I'm still in the process. I mean, it's always a process. I mean, it's not like you just say that, okay, you change your mindset and that's it. It's done. Of course not. But yeah, I'm actually very, very happy. And I don't know, also that the island is so wonderful. I still cannot believe how green it is. I live here for more than 5 years and I haven't seen it like this before. It just feels so nice. I mean, wherever you go, you just go out, you are driving on a road, and on the roadside there are flowers everywhere. It's just so wonderful to sit here and relax a little bit and see all this beauty around you. This is so nice. Today we went to... Ow! Something is biting my back. Today we went to our Airbnb to continue the preparations before our first guests arrive. And yeah, we are actually pretty good. We made a lot of progress. Yeah, just a couple of more things to do and we will finish. So it's great. And just a little like final touches right before the guests arrive, and that's it. We are open. And it's crazy to think about that. The off season is over and now we are going in the season. But this year I feel ready for it. Yeah. I feel ready for it and I like it. Actually, I really do. And it's so nice to see, you know, that all the island is preparing and everybody's getting ready and they are preparing the restaurants to open, and Easter is coming up pretty soon. It's just nice. I feel really good. So great. I was preparing myself for this season mentally to feel ready for the busyness, for the long days, but as we start to move more and do more, I realized that my body isn't quite there yet. I get tired so easily. So I think it's time to do something about it. The weather shifted for a few days. The air cooled down and the rain came, sudden and heavy. Some nearby islands were hit hard. The water caused real damage. But here, we were lucky. We got just enough rain to soak into the earth, to give everything one last boost before the dry summer comes. On those cooler days, I craved something warm. I wanted to eat something cozy. So I made this simple carrot cream soup. I'm using coconut cream instead of heavy cream. I feel that it's lighter and I love the subtle sweetness it brings. We had it with some yogurt and croutons, and it was just the perfect little meal on a cool evening. This week wasn't only about preparing the apartments or checking off tasks. It was about transitioning from the quiet rhythm of winter into the faster pace that's slowly returning. It's like we have just woken from a long sleep and suddenly there is so much to do. And why I do love this change, it asks a lot from the mind and from the body. Some days I feel strong and ready, other days I'm not sure I can keep up, because no matter how much I prepare, life has its own timing. It doesn't always follow the plan. But maybe that's the point. Maybe it's not about being perfectly ready, but simply about showing up again and again. There's still so much I'm learning, but this much I know. Small steps taken with care still carry us forward. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye for now.